Hey there, handbag lovers. I'm here with a unboxing of a few Coach items that I picked up during their recent sale on the Disney Keith Haring products. You may have caught the sale a couple weeks ago. So let me get started with the first opening here. I happened to be on the website, the CoachOutlet.com website. I hate to say it, the wee hours of the morning, and I saw that the Keith Haring merchandise went on sale, and I just went to shopping. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is, as you can see, a familiar print because I do have a Madison 18 with this same print. This is the Highline tote with the Disney Keith Haring print. Let me get all the stuffing out of her so we can take a quick look. I was so excited for this to go on sale. I saw it at the original price and I just took a chance that it would eventually go on sale and decided I am going to wait this one out. Check her out. This is the Disney Keith Haring Coach Highline tote, and this is in leather. I have another Highline tote that's in the signature canvas. So she has the Coach hang tag here, open on the inside, no organization, but a beautiful color. Feels like microfiber. You can also see the Disney or the Mickey print down in the bottom of that on the back. Oh, it's so beautiful. Has the Coach patch there, Coach story patch. So I'll take the rest of the stuffing off later, but wanted to share that one. The second item I picked up in my late hour delirium on the Coach website. Let's get this one opened. Exciting. So this little cutie is the camera bag, and let me see if it has the tag so I can tell you the exact name of her. Get some of the stuffing out. Okay. I don't see the tag, but I'll find the name and I'll make sure I include it in the video. So you can see this is the little camera bag. It's also in the same cute little Mickey print, and this is also leather. In the inside, it does have two credit card slots. It's in this fabric, and it's like a goldenrod or maybe mustard color. So 2 credit card slots. It has an open slip pocket. It also has the Coach story patch here. And other than that, that's it. I really love the strap on this. I think that's what attracted me to this bag. It has the dog leash clips here, so it is detachable, and it has this cute little feature that I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it. Maybe hang something on it. So I thought that was really cute. You can see Mickey's on the front and it's the white matching leather on the back, matching and compared to the Highline tote. So another cute Disney item. I'm so excited. I love Disney, if you can't tell. All right, the last item. Let me open this up. These are two cute little Mickey luggage tags. Got one for me and one for my daughter. We do go to Disney. Seems like we've gone at least every year for the last 3 or 4 years, and hopefully when things pick up, we'll get to go again. So this one is just another of the same, but the cute little Mickey luggage tags. Awesome. So I'm so excited. As you know, I've shared before, and I'll insert a picture, that I have the Madison 18 with this print. And at first, I was not going to get this bag because it's kind of a small bag and I already have something with this print. But if you notice, I think this is a little more casual than the Madison, and I'm more likely to carry these two together than this and the Madison bag. So excited, very cute. Thank you all for watching. If you like these types of videos, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Every subscriber matters, and I appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day.